What's the meaning of certificated? Certificated. Certificated.
Certificated. Certificated. The term certificated refers to the act of formally certifying or attesting to something. It is often used in the context of verifying credentials or qualifications, such as when someone receives a certificate indicating completion of a course or program. Being certificated therefore implies that some sort of formal validation or authentication has taken place, and the individual or item in question has met certain predetermined standards. Ultimately, receiving a certificate or being deemed certificated can be seen as a mark of achievement or accomplishment, signifying that a particular goal has been successfully attained.